Hi and welcome to 2020 at Dean Park. In this video I'm going to be doing the Scale Model Scenery Detailing Pack competition draw. And remember, this was launched back in December for a whole series of Scale Model Sceneries kits as used at Dean Park. So, without further ado, let's get the draw. Now, entries came from far and wide. As you can see here, no expense has been spared in the tin that I'm using here. I didn't eat all these sweets for Christmas, honest. But I got 112 entries that made it through to the draw, which I've got every single one of them in here, all folded up individually. Okay, I cannot read what is on the inside. And entries came from all over the globe actually. I had all across the UK to start with, so England, Scotland, Northern Ireland, Wales, I had Ireland, I had Canada, US, I had one from Mexico, I had some from Germany, Italy, the Netherlands, Denmark, Sweden, one from India, and some from New Zealand, and a lot from Australia. So thanks very much to everyone who came together to enter this competition. Just a bit of fun, and it's a chance for you to win, as I said, that pack of goodies. So all the names are in here. I'm going to now close my eyes, jumble them about, pick one out and read the winner. Okay, I've got one here, and the winner of the detailing pack is Brian from Eastbourne. So Brian, congratulations, you've won yourself a Scale Model Scenery Detailing Pack from Dean Park. I'll be in contact with you soon regarding how to get the package down to you, and I hope you enjoy building it and sticking them on your layout. Thanks very much for everyone who entered. I'm sorry there can only be one winner in this case, but it's proved such a popular format that I'll be doing similar competitions in the near future. So thanks again, and enjoy the running shots for the rest of the video. Cheers!